Ki kan hun jong ki try bat ki Nongniah kali turis na Meghalaya, kila serang ban bat ki kali hajing king Umiam ki badon ya registration number ka Assam, kan thop ki kali shimen. Kani ka longkum ka jing pen Phai kala ya ka jing syabat bat syakang ki kali ka Meghalaya ban cha Assam hajan ka khana para. Kani ka jing long jing man kalami hadian ka huri hura na karali thuk thuk jong ka KSU ha Shillong.
So it's you for your safety only. So you came by the Assam.
The thing, no, because it is registration, someone might
your own car may be run car.
something,
That's not matter. Just it's Assam
better
register.
if
Someone
not
take
you going
advantage
to Shillong.
for the stone, so you will take responsibility.
Where is
It's
that
for
exact-
safety.
exact location is like?
We'll go by bus.
Yeah. We it's Meghalaya. No, already in Meghalaya. It's emergency or what?
Yeah, we
Exactly, Surat Ganjar.
अपन Phai vậy thì cái đồng tao here nó chân nó tao lồng sao. अपन Phai vậy. अपन Phai vậy.
Pergi sana tu. Sampai tu. Oi, bakti tu.
Good.